Hello there guys, today we're going to do a video of a helicopter that's remote controlled and it can fly. So I'm going to try and get it to land on this settee really well from the proof where you can't really see it, which is where you see the helicopter, it's always there, and it's going to end here. So let's just get a bait around it. Like over here. I'll just move this there, so it's a bit going now. That is there, so let's get ready for it to do. So let's take the charge up, that's been charging for quite a while now. So it's good now. Here we go. Wow, this is fast. Drop. Get up. No. Fast. Reset. 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! It's so good if you get hit. Wait, go down, get down, like, turn. Oh, crap. Very tense. Ready to go. Go. I got to drop. Alright, not quite third. Next to 10 guys. Here we go. Alright, well you're going the right way. Turn. You may not be able to see a helicopter, but you can see. Go. Right now you have this way. I turn. Along the 4 to 10, I think. 6 now, guys. Right, this time because it's gay, I'll start it down here, okay? Here we go. So by the way, you can't control this by going forward, you can only try to go up, down, side to side. You can't do it going forward or backwards. That'll do that automatically. Go! Yes, it did it, guys! Yay! So, it's really hard, you should buy one of these. So, this is the helicopter. I don't know how fast this may be, it must be really fast, it must be about 1,000 miles an hour. I'll just show you now. Proper fast. It's behind the sofa, so I'll get it now, guys. It's going to be a bit hard, this. Can't get it, but now I am. So, these may be quite cheap now. I've had this for quite a long time. It was Christmas 2014. Now it's coming up to 50 because it's the 25th of November, a month until Christmas Day. So it's going to be good. So bye bye guys.